Good morning to everyone. This is Thomas with from Instructional, and today I want to talk about on the module of automobile technology. Uh, so, as automobile engineers, we should know how to manufacture a vehicle, and we should also be aware of how we can do maintenance or repair. So, while you're doing that, you have to keep in mind that with these advanced technologies that is being applied in different fields. So automobile has not lagged behind. So it also try to look at how they can integrate that technology. And nowadays, sometimes you may use computers to test or to diagnosis or to diagnose the problem that your vehicles may have. Um, so I first want to talk about how vehicles can be constructed. We'll start by chassis, and also you can build up other parts of the vehicle. Uh, Depends on the industry. Uh, there are some industries that manufacture uh, small cars, lorries, vehicles. It depends. So here we have different types of bodies you may have. It depends on the ratio of the industry. So I want to share with you how rear-wheel drive layout is designed, where we have rear parts, and I'm showing you how the power can be transmitted from the engine to the rear part through drive shaft. So also have front wheel. There are some vehicles with front wheel that is connected to the engine through shaft, and those vehicles are mostly useful when there is a slippage in the place where you are using your vehicle. Uh, so I want to share with you the importance of four-wheel drive. So when you are in a land on the area that it has much slippage, so when you engage four-wheel drive, so it helps you to overcome the slippage because the wheels, either front wheel or rear wheels, they are all connected to the engine, and the engine may help you to overcome the, the soil resistance. Uh, I want to share with you also some fuel injection systems. We have air injection where we only inject air, and we also have airless injection where we don't need the air. So those are just different things I want to share with you. Uh, so you know, without engine, the car can't work. So to make your engine to function properly, you need to cool it. So you may use the water to cool down your engine. So these are different levels of temperature we have. At lower level, the water is very cool. At the highest level, the water is very warm. So you have, it depends on the density. Um, these are different parts of the vehicles I want to share with you. Maybe talk a bit of for those who will go with me with the list. I'll show you all those parts I want you to have an idea about. So this is how from this brake is constructed. You know, if you have a vehicle, sometimes you need to take brakes. So to take brakes, you should know how those brakes function to ensure that you may carefully take care